Imagine you have a yearly budget. It's meant to cover your rent, your groceries, your utilities, and everything you need for 365 days. But by the time you hit, say, July, you've already spent every single penny. For the rest of the year, you're operating on credit. You're borrowing from your future self, hoping to pay it back later. Now, apply that same logic to the entire planet. That is the essence of Earth Overshoot Day. Earth Overshoot Day marks the date when humanity's demand for ecological resources and services in a given year exceeds what Earth can regenerate in that same year. It is calculated by the Global Footprint Network. They take the planet's total biocapacity, the amount of ecological resources Earth is able to generate that year, and compare it to humanity's ecological footprint, our demand for food, timber, fiber, carbon absorption, and infrastructure. As you can see from the data, we aren't just living off the interest, we are depleting the capital. You might ask, why bother with a date? Does it actually change anything? It serves three critical functions. It's a metric for efficiency. As engineers and project managers, we understand that you cannot manage what you do not measure. Earth Overshoot Day turns complex, abstract environmental data into a single, understandable metric. It provides a baseline for us to track our progress, or lack thereof, in resource efficiency. It creates urgency. The date has shifted earlier in the calendar year over the last few decades. Seeing that date creep toward the middle of the year isn't just a fact, it's a warning sign. It forces policymakers, corporations, and individuals to confront the reality of our consumption rates. It highlights systemic failure. It shifts the conversation from individual recycling to systemic design. When we see the date arrive, we are forced to look at the macro level, how we design our cities, how we generate our energy, and how we manage our supply chains. From an engineering standpoint, this is a design problem. When we talk about sustainable piping systems or optimizing industrial throughput, we are talking about efficiency. Earth Overshoot Day is the ultimate efficiency audit. If we are utilizing resources faster than the system can replenish them, the system will eventually fail. Whether it's reducing carbon emissions in the construction industry, improving water usage in industrial manufacturing, or designing longer-lasting infrastructure, the goal is to shift that date. Move the date back toward December 31st. Marking Earth Overshoot Day isn't about guilt. It's about calibration. It's a reminder that we are part of a closed-loop system, and our long-term viability depends on respecting the capacity of that system. What's one change you've made in your professional or personal life to increase resource efficiency? Let me know in the comments below.